A PCB surface finish is an intermetallic joint between the bare copper of the solderable area of the printed circuit board and the components. Factors that the PCB surface finish impacts include the quality of the intermetallic joint, process yield, rework for production batches, scrap rate, testing ability, cost of the manufacturing process, and rate of failure during usage. HASL, or hot air solder leveling, is a conventional surface finish applied to the PCBs. The board is generally dipped into a molten solder bath to cover all exposed copper surfaces with solder. Surplus solder is separated by passing the PCB between hot air knives. The solder is a tin-lead mixture in this case. Lead-free HASL is a variation of HASL where lead-free alloys are used, such as tin, silver, and copper. ENIG, or electroless nickel immersion gold, includes electroless nickel plating covered with a thin coating of immersion gold, shielding the copper from oxidation. Other types of metallic finish include immersion silver, immersion tin, used for planarity requirements, and ENEPIG, or hard gold, used for edge connectors. Organic surface finish uses organic compounds to form a protective coating over the copper layer on the PCB. OSP, organic solderability preservative, and carbon ink are two types of organic finish used in the RF shielding and keypads, etc. To select a suitable surface finish, you should consider the environment in which the board operates, board aesthetics, shock and drop issues, corrosion, reliability requirements, presence of fine-pitch devices, components, and the flatness of the SMT pads for BGA applications.